attention. Today we're doing American spin 3 ways. You need it.
Start off with the classic. And 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6. Now we're both going to turn. 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6. Now it's going to be an overturn. 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6. Let's figure out the followers part. You're going to rock back on that right leg. Replace. You're going to do a triple step on your right to the side. Triple step. Now swivel on that right foot. That's it. And then finish your chassé left, right, left. Now, you're basically going to do the same thing. We just repeat that. So back on the right. The leader's going to do a turn as well. Triple step right here. So your part is the same. You got your swivel and your triple step. Now it gets fancy. So you're going to overturn. So you rock back, swivel on your left foot, and do a side chassé traveling to your right. Now you've got a 3-step turn. It's going to be left, right, left. So it's going to be swivel on your right, step back, left. Swivel on your left, step forward, right. Swivel on it, back on your left, and we're ready to do a rock step on that right foot.
Leaders part.
Okay, leaders, we got it easy.
Perk up. You're going to rock step back on the left and replace to the right. Triple step left, right, left. Triple step right, left, right. Now you're going to rock step and then triple step left, right, left. And you're going to turn on the left foot and chassé right, left, right. Wow, you just did a turn. Let's go. Rock step left, replace to the right, and swivel on the right foot. Triple step left, right, left. And swivel, and then side together, side on the right.
Boom.
Yes.
Let's check it out with a partner. We start off with a handshake hold. We do a regular rock back here and rock step. Now it's going to be low and right between the two people. There's going to be pressure towards each other. That'll give her the lead. And triple step. Now we take a regular left leader's followers right hand hold. Rock step once again. Keep it low, the hand connection. Pressure towards each other. That'll give us both ability to spin and triple step. We're back to a handshake hold. Rock, replace. Now this is where we're going to take our right hip back leaders. That'll swivel her. Keep that hand low. Triple step. There'll be pressure here. Basically, she's trying to close that to her hip as we're pulling it to our own hip here. That'll spin her. Whee! Triple step. Let's just check out the connections from another angle because they're a little tricky. So here we go from the beginning. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, a 4, 5, a 6. We got the connection between the two of us nice and low, and we have a little pressure. Triple step. We're back to our handshake hold. Here it is. Low hand. I take that right hip back. That swivels her. Triple step. Now we got pressure to our own side here, and she's got pressure towards the center. That'll swivel her. Triple step. Regain the hold. You got this. You want to get that mind-blowing technique? Then you got to shake your butt right on down to hips and heels.
There are 4 super important positions that you absolutely need to know for your jive.
I'm Titus, this is Lee Wen, and we are from
Dance Insanity.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.